we are inserting one of my absolute favorite ponytail hair extensions today. So I have a super long 22-inch piece here in the medium 4 shade. It's pretty close to my natural hair color. You can actually contact the company if you want to get matched by a professional by them to see what would fit yours best. So I like to start by backcombing the top of my head. I just feel like my hair blends better, and I like the way it looks when it has a little bit more volume up top. So you can see I'm just backcombing. I have a little bit of volume in my hair, and my hair is, I think, at day 2 for washing here, which for me, my hairstyle is best when it's got a little bit of dirt in it, or it's just not super freshly washed. I don't know. That's just how my hair works best. And then you're going to choose how high you want your ponytail to be. So you can do super high Ariana Grande kind of look, or a waterfall kind of style hairdo. Low pony, maybe you want to create it into a low bun, or do a mid-size one. So I actually chose mid pony for this video purpose because I'm actually going to be styling it into a braid. I just like how it looks with a mid braid. I feel like it gives it a lot of fullness. So because this is a wraparound pony, I've got a single piece of hair here that you're going to wrap around the actual elastic part that holds your pony. So you've got your hair wrapped around it, which looks really sleek, really pretty. So you could just end it here or blend and style the rest of your hair if you just want to have this super long pony look. But for me today, I wanted to do a thick, full braid. So this adds a ton of fullness to your natural hair. And I feel like the color just blends really beautiful when you do it this way. So I've just done a standard braid. Grab a ponytail and place it at the end. I think I have found one now, finally. And then I'm going to warm up my curling iron. So that's probably heating at the side right now. And then if you want to secure your hairpiece a little better, you can take little bobby pins and place it as needed. So once mine is set to the way I want it, I'll take little bobby pins, add any kind of extra volume or poof up top. I feel like that looks really cute with a braid. And then if you need any extra bobby pins for right around the hairpiece itself, you can insert those there as well. So you don't have to worry about any movement of the hair. The pack itself comes with all of these bobby pins, or you can use your own too, of course. So I've basically just extra secured mine and getting that upper top of my own natural hair exactly how I want it to sit and to the right fullness. Now I'm going to take my curling iron, it's hot, did a little check of it, and I will curl away from my face because for me, that is how I like my hair to look. And because this is made of real human hair, obviously you could pre-curl the hair or the ponytail. If it's just the ponytail, I'm curling the end pieces. But this is a really quick way to style your hair. If you just braid it, curl the ends, and you're pretty much ready in no time, but have super full hair. Definitely check it out.